How do religious beliefs impact embryonic stem cell research? Imagine a world where science and faith meet at a crossroads, each influencing how we approach some of the most delicate questions about human life. That's exactly what happens with embryonic stem cell research. Religious beliefs play a big role in shaping opinions and policies around this area of medicine. At the core, it's about how different faiths view the moral status of early human life and what that means for scientific progress. Many conservative Christian groups, including the Roman Catholic Church, believe life begins at conception. They see the embryo as a full human being with rights and dignity from that moment. Because of this, they oppose destroying embryos for research purposes. Instead, they support alternatives like using adult stem cells or stem cells from umbilical cords, which do not involve harming embryos. These groups emphasize respect for life at all stages and prefer methods that avoid ending potential human life. Jewish teachings usually say that an embryo does not become fully human until about 40 days after conception. This view allows for more acceptance of embryonic stem cell research, especially when embryos are left over from in vitro fertilization procedures and would otherwise be discarded. The focus here is on balancing the potential health benefits of research with the moral considerations of early embryo development. Many Jewish authorities see this research as a way to help save lives, provided it respects the moral boundaries they set. Islamic perspectives often hold that the soul enters the embryo between 40 and 120 days after conception. Before this point, many Islamic scholars permit embryonic stem cell research, considering it acceptable if it aims to improve human health and does not involve harm beyond what is necessary. They believe that respecting God's will is important, and as long as the research aligns with that, it can be justified. Since interpretations vary within Islam, opinions on this issue are diverse. Buddhism offers a different view, focusing on compassion and non-harm. Some Buddhists argue that embryonic stem cell research conflicts with their respect for all living beings because of the belief in reincarnation and the moral weight of harming sentient life. Others feel that if the research reduces suffering and benefits many people, it can be justified. This leads to a range of opinions depending on individual interpretation and the emphasis placed on compassion and non-harm. Religious beliefs influence key medical ethics principles like respect for persons, beneficence, non-maleficence, and justice. For example, if a religion believes the embryo is a person, it is seen as morally wrong to destroy it, which affects how research is conducted. If a faith emphasizes helping others, it might support research that could lead to cures for serious diseases. Respecting these beliefs is essential in diverse societies, guiding policies and practices around embryonic stem cell research. In many countries, these religious views have led to different laws and regulations. Some nations allow embryonic stem cell research but requiring that embryos are surplus from fertility treatments and not created solely for research. Others have banned it altogether, citing moral concerns. Healthcare providers must navigate these beliefs carefully, respecting patients' faith-based values while advancing medical science. Overall, religious beliefs shape how society views the moral questions surrounding embryonic stem cell research. They help define what is acceptable and what is not, balancing the desire to help suffering people with respect for human life. These perspectives continue to influence policies, research practices, and ethical debates in the world of advanced medical technologies.